Is your dining table still stuck in winter while spring is blooming outside? Looking for table decoration ideas that feel fresh, joyful, and effortlessly elegant? Wondering how to style a spring table that looks beautiful without feeling overcrowded? Need ideas that work for everyday meals as well as special spring gatherings? What if a few simple changes could instantly make your table feel lighter, brighter, and more inviting? Stay tuned, because today we're diving into spring table decoration ideas that bring seasonal charm, warmth, and style to every meal and celebration. What defines a perfect spring table decoration? Spring table decor is all about freshness, lightness, and natural beauty. Think soft colors, organic textures, and elements inspired by nature like flowers, greenery, and airy fabrics. The goal is to create a table that feels welcoming, cheerful, and relaxed, rather than heavy or formal. Which color palettes work best for spring tables? Pastels like blush, sage, lavender, and soft yellow instantly say spring. Neutrals such as white, beige, and light wood tones help balance brighter accents. Mixing one or two seasonal colors with a neutral base keeps the table elegant and visually calm. If these ideas are inspiring you already, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves spring decorating. How can table linens transform a spring setup? Lightweight tablecloths, runners, or placemats instantly refresh the table. Linen, cotton, or textured weaves add softness and movement. Even a simple runner can define the space and make everyday tableware feel intentional and styled. What are the best centerpiece ideas for spring? Fresh flowers are a classic choice, but simple greenery arrangements or seasonal branches work beautifully too. Low centerpieces keep the table functional and conversation-friendly. Even a single vase with seasonal blooms can feel elegant and impactful. How do I decorate a spring table for everyday use? Keep it simple and practical. Use a small centerpiece, coordinated placemats, and neutral dishware with a hint of color. The idea is to make the table feel fresh without needing constant setup or removal. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer fresh flowers or greenery as a spring centerpiece? How can I style a table for spring gatherings or brunch? Layer your table with chargers, cloth napkins, and subtle decor accents. Add extra height with cake stands or tiered trays for food presentation. Soft florals and coordinated tableware elevate the table without overwhelming it. What role does tableware play in spring decor? White or neutral dishes allow spring colors to shine. Pastel or floral tableware adds charm when used sparingly. Mixing classic pieces with seasonal accents keeps the table timeless yet festive. How can napkins be used decoratively? Cloth napkins instantly add elegance. Fold them simply or tie them loosely with ribbon or twine for a relaxed spring look. Choosing soft colours or subtle patterns helps tie the entire table together. For more seasonal decorating ideas, check out our full spring decor playlist, linked in the description. How do I incorporate natural elements into spring tablescapes? Wooden trays, ceramic pieces, woven placemats, and fresh greenery bring nature indoors. These elements add warmth and texture, making the table feel grounded and inviting rather than overly styled. What lighting works best for spring table settings? Soft, natural light during the day is ideal, but candles add warmth for evening meals. Choose simple candle holders or glass votives to keep the look light and seasonal. Avoid heavy or dark lighting that feels more winter-like. How can I decorate a small table for spring without clutter? Scale is key. Choose one focal point and keep everything else minimal. A small vase, clean linens, and coordinated tableware are enough to make even a small table feel thoughtfully decorated. Subscribe to the channel for weekly home decor ideas that help you refresh your space every season. Can spring table decor be kid-friendly and stylish? Absolutely! Choose durable materials and keep breakables minimal. Bright colours, playful florals, or simple decorative accents can make the table fun without sacrificing style or practicality. How do I make spring table decor eco-friendly? Use reusable linens, real tableware, and natural decor elements. Repurpose vases, jars, or trays you already own. Seasonal greenery and flowers are beautiful and sustainable when used mindfully. How can one table setup work all season long? Stick to a neutral base and rotate small accents. Swap flowers, napkin colours, or centerpieces as the season progresses. This keeps the table feeling fresh without constant redecorating. If you're loving this style, you'll find more spring and home decor videos linked in the description. What final detail makes a spring table feel complete? Balance. When colours, textures, and spacing work together, the table naturally feels inviting. A well-balanced spring table doesn't need excess, it simply feels right. Spring table decorations aren't just about looks. They set the tone for connection, comfort, and shared moments. With soft colours, natural elements and thoughtful layering, your table can reflect the freshness of the season. Start small, follow your style, and let your table become a place that truly celebrates spring. If this video helped you, please like and share it with friends who enjoy home decorating. Comment below and tell us how you decorate your table for spring. We'd love to hear. Watch our full spring decor playlist linked in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe for fresh home decor ideas, trends and seasonal styling tips every week. Find more videos like this in the description and keep your decor inspiration flowing. All products featured in this video are linked in the description for easy access.